The National Weather Service has issued a hey, are you listening, crap brain? I'm doing this for your freaking sake.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for. Okay, what the actual fuck? Are you even listening to me, you fucking beta male? I'm sorry that I interrupted your shitty programming to protect you from the largest tornado. Anyway, continuing on, Scott County in south central Minnesota, and Penn County in south central Minnesota, until 6 p.m. At 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located in. Okay, fuck this shit. Now you are complaining to your anti-vaxxer Facebook group about me trying to save you by a tornado. You must be the biggest of Karens I have ever seen in my time of doing this. But listen to me, fucker. This is not just your ordinary thunderstorm. This is a fucking tornado that's about to destroy your fucking house. Hold on to your fucking socks, because they are about to be blown off. You have no friends. I hope this tornado fucking kills you. Nobody likes your short hair. You look like Jack Sundelin Harvester's kid. A fucking mistake. How about you come over here and square up instead of being the pussy you are, complaining to your fucking shit Facebook groups. You probably support incest and Loudhouse fan fictions, you disgusting ass whore. You sound like Melissa and Marshall from that Blessed Buddha scenario, you fucking cunt. I hope you kill yourself, because you are not worthy in this world, Karen. To those with a brain, you know what to do. I'm done with this fucking job. I'm probably gonna go take a smoke break and play some Fortnite.
This is an update to the coronavirus/COVID-19 pandemic. Why don't you stupid motherfuckers just stay home? Why are you people not obeying the mandatory stay-home order? Don't you know that this coronavirus shit is actually fucking real and people are getting sick from it and dying? Do you care? Of course not. Because you're a selfish fucking twat. You don't care if you get sick and you don't care if you get other people sick. How fucking stupid, pathetic, brain-dead, and incompetent can you be? You know, the more that you stick your middle finger up to the law, the public health, and your own fucking sickly grandmother, the longer this shit is going to be drawn out, right? We're just going to extend the fucking order as long as you cocksuckers continue to venture out, getting your nasty disgusting germs all over the fucking place and infecting people, instead of quarantining at home like you should be. I want to be able to watch live sports again. I want to go to the bar, the restaurant, the bowling alley, and strip clubs again. And as long as you disease-ridden fucks keep going out into the public, that is never gonna fucking happen. Everybody, including your mom, knows that you don't cover your coughs, You sneeze all over the fucking place and on other people, and you don't even wash your filthy, disease-ridden fucking hands after you masturbate, take a shit, use public door handles, change your tampon, or touch raw chicken. I hope to God that you don't plan on ever reproducing. Because your fucking little bastard spawn would be twice as inbred, witless, inane, imbecilic, profoundly dumb, brainless, trivial, nonsensical, and annoying as you. Listen up, all of you shit stains. You are all wastes of skin, air, space, food, sanitary products, water, and pharmaceuticals. And if you continue to disobey the mandatory stay-at-home order, and the stay-at-home order has to be extended because you fucking nimrods keep spreading this virus around, I will personally come to all of your homes and wipe my ass with all of your favorite and commonly used possessions. To the vast majority of you, that would include cell phones, TV remotes, laptops, computer mice, car keys, weather radios, PS4 and Xbox controllers, and blankets. So, heed my warning, you fucking subhuman Neanderthals. Also, stop panic buying the stupidest fucking shit like toilet paper, paper towels, hand sanitizer, and bottled water. If your dumb ass was ever told to go to quarantine for 14 days, you wouldn't be eating any of those things to try to survive. Unless you have fucking pica. Yeet. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for, hey, are you even listening, you stupid idiot? I am the system that is supposed to save lives from severe weather, Amber Alerts, and other threats, not some dumb robot that interrupts your precious TV programming. Pay attention or else I will use a speaker to blast heavy metal music right in your ears, so you can shut your mouth. Until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over, okay, you know what? If you want to die of a tornado, then keep ignoring me. Oh God, the storm is coming. You didn't even flinch, huh? How pathetic. This isn't a regular thunderstorm. This is a tornadic thunderstorm, and it is going to destroy your home, and it will kill you if you don't seek shelter. Continuing on, hazard, tornado. Okay, I don't care anymore. Go complain about your stupid reality television. Source, radar. Forget it. It's time to roast you by saying anything as I please. You suck at everything. You smell like a person that hasn't gotten a shower or hasn't put on deodorant in years. You have no friends since you are so rude to everyone. You're like the New York Knicks of EAS recipients, but they play in a really nice city, so you're worse than them. You are the person who is the fun police, who ruins the fun for anyone by yelling like a little diva at everyone. You are so stupid that you don't even know what 1 + 1 is. That means you failed elementary school, middle school, high school, and even college. You cause so much drama that it is not controllable, like Chernobyl. Hold up, you're dead. Ha 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 ha, you should have sought shelter and listened to me. I'll finish up now. Crap, where is the script? Dang it, I forgot it. So my work here is done. All I have to say is to seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a vehicle, move to a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Okay, goodbye everyone, and don't be that person who has an IQ of a potato.
The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for. Hey, are you even listening right now? I'm supposed to save your life from dangerous weather. Don't just sit there. Pay attention to me or else I will come to your house and break your windows so flying debris will destroy your bedroom and maybe your house. If you don't want that happening, then I advise for you to listen to this message. Like I was saying, at 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service and Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Okay, you're really getting on my nerves. It's like you don't want to survive. You just want to ignore me and risk your life. You know what? That's fine by me. You can just sit there and do nothing and not survive. You know what? I don't even care. Just pay attention to me instead of risking your life. Moving on. Hazard, tornado. Alright, you're really getting me frustrated right now. What part of tornado warning don't you understand? This tornado has wind gusts up to 110 miles per hour. Wow, you are not even scared by that. Now listen, tornado sirens are now going off and you still don't even care. You know what? You can just sit there. I'm quitting. Who even wants this job anyway? Forget it, I'm gone. Just hope your house gets sucked by the tornado. But to everyone else, make sure to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now, I am quitting this job since no one wants to listen to me. I can't believe I'm this mad. I just wanna. I just broke a window. I'm in so much trouble, but I don't care. I just wanted to quit this job, and that's what I'm going to do.
Michael, what in the world happened here? Did you break that window?
Yes, and I'm quitting this job. I'm just gonna leave and get more V-Bucks. Just go back doing the alerts because I'm not doing this anymore.
Fine then. That's what I do best anyway. Okay, so with that happening, I guess I'm gonna say this. A tornado warning has been issued until 8:44 p.m. for the following counties. In Kansas, Russell, Ellsworth and Lincoln. I am so sorry about what happened. And, stay safe.